This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas. I'm Ashok Vyas. With Sai Ram, we begin this small conversation with a group of talented singers who performed on the occasion of 11th anniversary celebration of Shirdi Baba's temple at Baldwin.
Sairam, um, all the performers that you saw are active members in the Sai Center, and they keep singing Sai's glory wherever they go. So, this was more of an offering to Swami, which they do.
And you were also connecting one bhajan to another bhajan with some instances from Sai Charitra. Which is your favorite reference?
Um, there are numerable ones. The one that sticks to me and brings tears to my eyes is there is this episode where there is a mother who is worried about her son having bubonic plague, and she comes to Baba, and Baba tells her not to worry about it. And then he lifts his kafni and shows how he has taken up the buboes, the bubonic plague, on himself. And that is how, Swami blesses us, and that moves me all the time.
स्वरूप सुंदर सुजन रंजन रूप सुखकर सुजन रंजन रूप सुखकर राम आत्मा राम आत्मा राम का समान करिए धाम धरिए राम का गुणगान करिए राम का गुणगान करिए राम आत्मा राम साई राम का समान करिए धाम गुणगान करिए राम का गुणगान करिए राम का गुणगान करिए
I'm listening to someone in New York at such a young age with such depth of understanding of music and wonderful control of his vocal cords. And allow me to ask your name again.
Shivram. My name is Shivram Viswanathan.
Shivram, your selection of the bhajans was excellent, and there seems to be very maturity in your singing. Tell me, where did you learn singing, and what made you take up singing so sincerely?
I began singing since when I was very young, and we'd go to Sai bhajans, Satya Sai Baba bhajans very often as a family, and that's where my first exposure to singing came from. And since then, it's all of course Baba's grace that I have developed that whatever small gift he has given me, in service to him. So that's all I can say.
So we come back to singing. Let's talk a little bit about musical instruments. So you play harmonium and some other instruments also. How that became a part of you?
In these Satya Sai Baba bhajans, they needed certain players to play certain instruments. So at one point there was nobody playing harmonium, so I'd have to play harmonium because I could play somewhat, and something like that. And so like that, I had to learn how to play tabla. I took tabla lessons. I learned how to play harmonium on my own, and saxophone is something I learned in school. Again, it's all these information. Again, it's Baba's grace that I had the opportunity to learn these things and perform for him and sing and play for him.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas. So tell me, you are a student, obviously, I guess, and so how is it that you also worked on your Hindi diction? Because when you were singing, it sounded as if you know Hindi very well.
I don't. I'm actually Tamil. I speak Tamil. It's well, not my mother tongue. I was born in the United States, but that's what my family speaks. But I think again, it's just a lot of listening, a lot of exposure when I was very young to people singing these bhajans and these devotional songs, and that allowed me to pick up on them the nuances.
And do you sing only devotional songs, or you sing some filmy songs too?
I sing only devotional as of right now. I mean I just don't have the interest as much to sing, the film songs or whatever because ultimately I'm singing for him.
you were performing or singing, there was so much bhava, and it would resonate with the audience, and it'll also uh, connect them where you are aspiring to be connected, and that's beautiful. May I request you to sing maybe two lines? And also, before you sing, is there something special that is needed while you conduct dhun? So, what is the difference for you as experience while you're singing as a solo bhajan or singing a dhun where others are also involved?
So the kirtan, as they say, is devotional singing, but sankirtan is when everybody comes and joins in, and the vibrations and the energy that is created there much stronger than when you're singing alone and people are just listening. So that to me is much more rewarding. I'm able to connect with the Lord and Bhagwan Baba through that, and that's I think is the best opportunity for everyone to experience those divine vibrations of music. So that's why when everybody comes in and sings the Lord's name, that's when the biggest opportunity to immerse oneself in the divine vibrations arises.
जब से है देखा तुझको साई में दर्श के पास साज सवेरे लुट मर जाए हमसे जिंदगी सौंपते हैं चरणों में तेरे मन मंदिर से
And may that grace continue to be a part of our lives, add beauty, harmony, joy, love for one and all. This is Ashok Vyas for ITV. This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.